GERD, or gastroesophageal reflux disease, is when acid moves out of the stomach and into the esophagus. It's commonly called reflux disease or heartburn. It consists of that burning sensation that you get in the chest. Also, when people lay down, they get fluid that comes up and they can taste the acid in their mouth. And that can cause erosion to the esophagus.
Before visiting with Dr. Ihde, I had severe acid reflux. It was so severe that I would lose my voice and was affecting my job. I had to watch the foods that I ate. I was on a real strict diet and I tried everything over the counter and nothing would work.
A lot of times the patients complain that they can't sleep at night because the acid comes up and it wakes them up in the middle of the night. In addition, they end up with a chronic cough and clearing of their throat and having trouble, sometimes even having trouble with their job if they have to talk for a living.
The acid was coming up even during the day, no matter what I ate. So even with the strict diet, it was still happening, and it would make me hoarse. My vocal cords were really burned.
With Sharon, we were able to do a transoral fundoplication to recreate the valve at the end of the esophagus. And this seems to have controlled her symptoms very well, off of medications, not having to take a medication every day, and avoiding the risks of those medications.
Just from everything that he told me, or the questions, things that we talked about, I knew that there was an answer to a problem that I had, where I kind of felt like there was no hope, and that my life would always be just, watching everything I ate and always having, being hoarse and things like that. And so he gave me some hope that things would, eventually get better. The surgery that I had, that Dr. Ihde performed, it has changed my life dramatically. I can eat whatever foods that I want. I can sleep at night. I would definitely recommend Dr. Ihde for anyone having any acid reflux, severe problems. It has really changed my life, and I'm happier, my family's happier, and we're able to enjoy things way more than we were before.